Hello friends, welcome back to the channel again. With me. So friends, in this video, I'll be sharing my experience regarding the top 5 programming language that you need to learn if you want to survive in 2021. So these 5 programming language is well asked by every organization, even for a fresher as well as the experienced candidates. So if you watch this video right till the end, so I'm gonna assure you that these are the most prominent programming language that is developed by every organization, and speaking about the career growth of this particular domains is extremely good, and perhaps the package that is provided by these programming languages is well enough to satisfy to every candidate as per his expectations. So friends, before wasting time, let's jump directly to the video. So friends, before jumping to the video, if you're still not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button icon so that you'll be never missing any new updates. So speaking about difference, first and foremost, the first programming language I would like to recommend you is JavaScript. So friends, why JavaScript? Starting about the definition of JavaScript. Different JavaScript is a scripting or programming language that allows you to implement complex features on web pages. So, ignoring about the definition of that what I've written here, see friends, JavaScript now currently JavaScript found to be one of the most popular programming language. There is not a, there is very least amount of software engineers in the world or developers that who doesn't know JavaScript. So the era of JavaScript has grown extremely far more very well that JavaScript is mandatory for every single candidate, which has a better growth compared to that of every programming languages. Okay friends, and next, speaking about the research that is taken over in the Stack Overflow's developers, JavaScript is one of the most popular language among all the developers in 8 years now. You heard me right friends. See friends, I assume that you can heard about this, that most of the developers copy the codes or version some Stack Overflow where all kind of source code that is used to development of a project or any other application or software will be provided with Stack Overflow. So in the survey, in the Stack Overflow, JavaScript is the widely most searched programming language compared to that of all. That is the reason I recommend you guys, even if you are a fresher or experienced, I recommend you guys to be good in JavaScript. So it's not too late. I recommend you to start working on JavaScript right now. Okay. So next, speaking about, as you guys are aware about, it's widely used in web development phase. Because of JavaScript has forgiving, flexible syntax and work across all major browsers, it is one of the most friendliest programming language for the beginners. So friends, I'm gonna explain you, I'm gonna tell you once again that JavaScript is one of the most popular programming language. The era of the JavaScript is growing extremely day by day. The demand and the packages providing for this particular domain is widely beyond expectations. So as per my experiences, there is most probably very less amount of developers who doesn't know JavaScript. Every developers know JavaScript. So if you are a fresher, if you don't know where to start, I recommend you please be sure JavaScript. So even if you are unaware about the other programming language, I recommend you guys to please be good in JavaScript. This will help you reach extremely far away. Exactly. Speaking about next, which I most recommend you is Python. Different. Python is interpreted high-level programming languages. Different. As you guys come across that after Java, Python came into life. So speaking about Python, so Java was one of the well-known object-oriented programming language, including the JDBC drivers and everything. Python came into life after the Java because compared to that of Java, Python is found to be far more flexible programming language, and the code reusability of this Python is extremely small compared to that of Java. So it's so friends, speaking about Python, see friends, if you are students, if there is organization that is come for a college recruitment, so there is 90% possibilities that college recruitment peoples demand Python and Java programming languages. So assume friends, if you want to make sure Python, I recommend you please start with Java. So once you start with Java, I'm assuming that you will be very close to Python. Okay. So Python design's philosophy emphasizes code readability with notable use of significant white spaces. As I explained you before, friends. See, friends, Python design philosophy emphasizes code readability. As I said before, the prominent and the demand of the Python programming language. And as I said before, it's far more flexible and syntax-free programming language, widely used and well paid. So, friends, Python also stand in a well competition manner compared to JavaScript. So Python is playing a very challenging role to the JavaScript. So I recommend you to Python. If you are working on Python, I recommend you will be having a good life as per your expectations. Next, I recommend you guys is Java. See friends, speaking about Java, Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have few implementations dependencies as possible. See friends, as soon as the next level of C++ Java came into life, Java is one of the most widely learned programming language by most of the candidates who are into a software domain or software development. Even the developers who is working in other domain started to work on Java. So Java was one of the most popular language one time. So the era of the Java grew extremely fast as soon as the James Gosling, the founder of Java, invented these programming languages. As I said before, the concept of hooks, advanced Java, and JDBC was widely used and widely learned programming language in the world. So, see friends, Java came into life and within a short period of time, it was learned by most of the candidates, not only in India, perhaps all over the world. And thinking about the applications that Java involved is that it can be used in backend development, mobile development, desktop application, system programming, software development, and much more variety of applications that Java is used for. So I recommend you guys, if you're working on Java, I assume that you'll be having a very bright future and career growth. So next, I recommend you guys is C#. C#. Before directly studying the definition, so I would recommend you is see friends, assume if you are graduating from a computer science background, I assume that you guys are completely aware about C and C++ programming language. So friends, if you are good in C and C++, so C# will be a cakewalk. So it's also general purpose multi-paradigm programming languages, encompasses studying static typing, strong typing, lexically scoped, imperative, declarative, functional, generic, object-oriented, and component-oriented programming disciplines. See friends, if you are from a computer background, starting from scratch after your 10th passed, see friends, this not only 10th, once you start your school or college life from the computer background, C is the initial programming language that you guys everyone has started with. See friends, once you start with C, so C++ will be a cakewalk. And once and C and C++ are good with it, so C will not be that enough to cope up with. And perhaps C is widely most used in the backend development security phases. So speaking about the applications that most probably that is C is extremely used and why it is so popular programming language. It's using cloud native application services, window client applications, window libraries and components, window services, web applications, web services and web application program interfaces, namely iOS and Android mobile apps and backend services. See friends, these are all the applications that C# will be provided. Okay, so I recommend you is if you are working on C and C++, so C# will be cakewalk. So I recommend you to please go through C#, which also have a career growth as that of the past programming languages like JavaScript, Python, and Java. Next, I recommend you guys is PHP. Friends, perhaps I do know PHP, perhaps I don't have any experience regarding working with the PHP, but as per the research that I made, PHP is one of the most popular programming languages and widely used in internet-based websites and systems. Okay, and allows you to create a content dynamically through scripts and schedule on the servers. PHP also integration with a huge variety of libraries, which makes this language quite powerful. See friends, as I explained before, PHP is used in the front face or user application force, plays a prominent role in web development or web pages or website development, any front page. See, as per the words that's rising from the software organizations, PHP is also paying for well good packages. So I recommend you that this is one of the most popular programming language. It's one of the most popular programming language. So okay, and if you watch this, and if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.